Hi everybody, my name is Sean O'Kane with Chip Estimate TV and ChipEstimate.com, your IP resource for your next chip design in the world of the EDA industry. My guest today is John Heinlein, Vice President of Marketing, the Physical IP Division with ARM. Thank you very much for being here.
Hi, Sean.
Running my words together because I'm very excited to be here at the Common Platform Technology Forum 2011. The overall theme has been 32 and 28 nanometer.
Yeah.
And let me just say, I was at the briefing yesterday where Walter Ng from Global Foundries mentioned what's really important is the early design enablement. That means it starts with the IP.
That's right, and you know, we've been collaborating with the Common Platform as part of the 32 and 28 nanometer platform for not quite 3 years now. And that's culminated in a long-standing collaboration spanning 10 test chips. 32 nanometer platform reached the market last June, July, and now just here at the show we're talking a lot about our 28 nanometer platform, which is available to designers now. Okay,
and so just a news release or a new collaboration with IBM, very important. You want to talk about that?
Sure, so we've been working, as I said, already for 3 years on 32 and 28, and quickly after that, about 6 months later, we already began work on the next generation on 22 and 20 nanometers. And just yesterday with IBM, we announced that we've extended that collaboration all throughout the 14 nanometer node. So we really are going to have a head start. Because when you're doing these advanced geometries, the kind of interplay of design and process development and EDA, it's very complicated, and you can't just show up at the 11th hour and expect to have a highly optimized solution. So we're working side by side, optimizing the process, optimizing the physical IP, optimizing the EDA, all at the same time. And the result is, when tier one customers, the kind of customers who classically would have done their own physical IP, come to us, the solution is ready, silicon proven, and they can adopt it with high confidence.
Well, the whole ARM theme is started with the ARM TechCon. It continues through the Common Platform Technology Forum. In fact, yesterday, Samsung mentioned the success with the Cortex A9, and that process node is having great success within Samsung.
Sure, Samsung, because they're the 32 nanometer adopter within the Common Platform, they've already had silicon in production. We've already done test chips with them. We spoke at the ARM Technology Conference, Technology Forum, about the Cortex A9 that we did jointly with Samsung and fabricated at Samsung 32 nanometer. And that was a very good proof points early, showing a complete SoC kind of application processor in that advanced process.
Talk a little bit about POPs.
Sure. We announced last quarter at our forum that many of our customers have come to us and said, we'd like to leverage ARM's knowledge and expertise in how to optimize processor cores on these advanced geometries. How can you help us? And so what we've done is we put together a new product line. We call it a Processor Optimization Pack, or POP for short. Which is kind of a fun name. And it really encapsulates all the different pieces you need to develop an advanced ARM core on these advanced nodes with our physical IP. It's advanced physical IP specifically tuned at a process and a core. It's benchmarking and implementation background that shows what we were able to accomplish, and then reference methodology and EDA knowledge about how to get that same result for the customer. And that's available as a package from ARM for our leading cores and leading processors.
Which also has a huge performance advantage.
Sure, we're seeing, and our customers are seeing pretty nice upticks, 15 to 25% performance gain depending on the node from those cores. We're working with a lot of lead customers now, including some tier one customers that you might not think would come to us for this kind of implementation know-how, but we're getting very, very broad adoption and interest.
Any more information about the roadmap going forward?
Well, as I say, today our focus is talking about the 28 nanometer node that's here now, and I think throughout this year you're going to see customers adopting that, and especially we'll be rolling out more of these POP products as the year goes on.
Well, thank you very much.
Nice to talk to you, Sean, as always.
John Heinlein, right here. Vice President Marketing, Physical IP Division with ARM. We'll see you next time on Chip Estimate TV.